Assalomu alaykum aziz talabalar. Sizlar bilan Mirzo Ulug'bek nomidagi O'zbekiston Milliy Universiteti Xorижий filologiya fakulteti Ingliz filologiyasi kafedrasi o'qituvchisi Aвазматова marhaba Muxtorjonimni. Bugungi fanimiz chet tillarini o'qitishning integrallashgan kursi. Our today's topic, teaching and learning materials. Today, in our lesson, we'll discuss what is teaching and learning materials, what kind of types are there, and how it can be used effectively in the classrooms. Let's begin our lesson. Teaching and learning materials refers to educational materials that teachers use in the classroom to support specific learning objectives. Teaching and learning materials can be games, videos, or flashcards. Using teaching and learning materials can greatly assist students in the learning process. Let's take an example. Teacher is teaching new vocabulary based on the topic climate, let's say. And just saying and repeating new words may not be useful for students to remember the new words. Instead of that, teacher may use a video or flashcards or other types of teaching materials. When the teacher use different kind of teaching and learning materials, it can be useful to students to remember new vocabulary longer. These are the examples of teaching and learning materials. They are storybooks, videos, manipulatives, games, flashcards, model clay, overhead projector transparencies, computer software and apps, and the last ones, visual aids. Let's look at them one by one. Storybooks. Storybooks make great teaching and learning materials. For example, in the middle school, teacher can read this book or other book to the class as a whole and then have students write a brief essay summarizing the book and explaining what they thought of the story. Or at the elementary school level, book reports provide a great way to have students engage with the book they read, either individually or together with the class. Next ones, manipulatives. Manipulatives are physical items such as gummy bears, blocks, marbles, or even small cookies that assist student learning. Manipulatives are especially helpful in the younger primary grades, where students can use them to help solve subtraction and addition problems. Videos. Watching videos is useful especially for kinesthetic learners and auditory learners. Videos provide real visual images that can help enliven learning, but you need to be careful to choose videos that have real educational value. Different kinds of videos in YouTube or in other websites cannot be used in the classrooms, cannot be appropriate to use in the classrooms. That's why, as a teacher, we should carefully to choose the words, the videos for our students. The videos in the classroom we played in the classroom should be appropriate, should be suitable to the topic, to the culture, and other criteria. And next ones, games. I think all of the students like games, from primary students to students in the higher education. Even in the lesson with adults, games can be fun, and games always make our lesson interesting and motivating. Games can be useful in teaching students everything from money and grammar to social skills, sight words, bingo, for example, can help students learn their basic sight words. But there are also relatively inexpensive bingo games that teach money skills, Spanish or other language, telling time, and even English grammar. Next one's flashcards. Printing high-frequency words, also known as sight words, on the front of flashcards with short definition on the back can create a good learning tool for students who have auditory or visual learning styles. My students at school really liked flashcards. When I worked at school as a teacher, I frequently used flashcards in order to teach new vocabulary. My students really liked it. Next one's model clay. Younger students, such as those in kindergarten through third grade or fourth grade, can learn using model clay. For example, a teacher might have younger students make letters of the alphabet using clay, or they may make domestic animals with the help of clay or other things. Overhead projected transparencies. A teacher can use overhead projected transparencies to teach different skills and visually demonstrate how charts and graphs work. Of course, seeing watching in overhead projected transparencies is more useful just seeing a picture or reading a text, especially teaching a large class, maybe 50 students, maybe 100 students. Overhead projected transparency is a key to teach to large classes effectively, I think. Next one, computer software and apps. Plenty of learning computer software is available online. You may find easily, I think almost all of you use different kind of computer softwares and apps to learn the English or other subjects. Interactive software programs can help English language learners study grammar and other elements of the English language. I use Duolingo apps to learn new languages. I am learning Korean language and these apps helps me a lot. And the last one, visual aids. Visual aids can be teaching tools designed for the entire classroom, such as posters showing basic sight words, class rules, or key concepts about important holidays or lessons. But they can also be used to help students individually, particularly visual learners or those having difficulty organizing their work or their thoughts. Graphic organizers, for example, are charts and tools used to visually represent and organize a student's knowledge or ideas. This is the end of our lesson. I hope all of you enjoy in our lesson. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.